How to use Messenger business chat features. So in order to do that, you'll need to install a application that is called Meta Business Suite. So all you need to do is simply go to your app store and in here search for Meta Business Suite, just like this. Here you can see this is the particular application that you'll need to download. So after downloading, here simply open the application, and then from here you'll need to log into your Facebook. So tap on login with Facebook. So after doing that, select the exact account you want to log in, just like this. And in here tap on allow if you want the notifications, then tap on get started. So in here, if you want to invite your friends, you can tap on invite friends, or else you can simply tap on this cross icon and simply cross it like that. So in here you can see this is your exact business page of your Facebook account. Now from here, what you can do in order to get the messenger features is tap on the inbox option right here, and then in here you can see there are multiple different things that you can do. Here are the comments, and here if you tap on there you can see all of the insights of your business. So in here you can also tap on the Facebook icon right here and select the account type, which is now Facebook. So if you simply go back, in here we have the filter option. If you want to open your Instagram, you can also do that. If you want to open your Facebook, you can do that. If you want to read the unread message, follow up, or spam, you can also do that. In here you can search for people, labels, and messages. In here, if you tap on this three-dot bar, here you'll get a lot of different settings in here. So just like this, in here you'll be getting a lot of different Messenger business chat features that you can use, and that's it.